I'm Anthony Natale with Grenadier Homes. I am currently the president.
I'm John Egnatis. I'm the CEO.
You know, one of the options you have, you can hire a sales manager. We looked at it and said, John and I, our background is playing hockey since we were little kids together. When you want to form a team and you want to have a successful team and you want to go win the championship, you hire the best coach you can possibly hire. And we looked at it and said, these guys are the best for that role. You can hire a junior sales manager, someone that maybe even comes in with experience, but not with this kind of network, this kind of philosophy, and the success that they have as a coach, coaching our team and managing our team. So that's what really got us interested, and that's how we ended up with Sales Solves Everything.